Hello, third grade. So this is the video explaining your math activity for today. So today we're going to be working on our fact fluency for our multiplication facts of our ones, twos, fives, and tens. And we've worked a lot with our ones, twos, fives, and tens, so much that a lot of these multiplication facts, you're going to see them and be like, oh, I already know what the product is. So today we're working on our fluency, meaning how efficient are we in our strategies? Do we have a strategy that's quick, that will get us to the right product in the least amount of time, but it's also correct? So that's the point of today. We're really working on that fluency with just multiplying by ones, twos, fives, and tens. So for today, you have an option, if you would like to time yourself. Because the purpose of timing ourselves is to see just how quickly we can get through. Now, this is 20 questions, so it will take you just a little bit, but to see how quickly we can get through those 20 questions. So if you would like to time yourself, you will click the picture of the stopwatch and it will take you to a view pure video. And so all you'll do is you'll press play on the video and it will have a countdown. And when you hear that sound, that means it is ready to go. So it is counting your seconds. So all you have to do is let it play and then you can come back to your activity. So what you will be doing is you will just go slide by slide and it will tell you the math fact. So 2 times 8. So you probably will need a piece of paper and a pencil because now you get to choose. Am I going to use an array, equal groups, repeated addition, skip counting to figure out what 2 times 8 is? Some of you might be able to do this in your head and that is okay. So for myself, if I think of 2 groups of 8, I can repeatedly add 8 twice, and I know 8 plus 8 is 16. So to check myself, all I'm going to do is click on this picture of the flashlight. I'm going to drag it over this black box because you'll see your product will appear. Okay, so I saw it was 16. Oh, I was correct, so I can move on. If I was incorrect, however, then I need to go back and check my work to see where I may have missed that product, missed the answer. So you'll go on to slide 3 and do the same thing. 9 times 2. 5 times 6, so on and so forth. So you need to do it for every question. And to let your teacher know that you have answered every question, you will just take that flashlight, hover it over the answer, and leave it there. And then let's say I answered all my questions. I've come to the bottom on 20, and I've made it to slide 21. So it's asking how long to solve the multiplication problem. So you'll come back to your video, hit pause. Now this says it took me 1 minute. Once it gets to the red, that's 1 minute, 26 seconds. It might take you this long. It probably will take you longer than this. So you will just write down the time here. So if mine was, let's say, actually it took me 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Okay, that's all you have to write for your teacher if you'd like to. We also want you to go through and make sure you type in the product. So you can do this after you have gone through and solved all of them. Just to let us know that you have checked yourself and you understand what the products are. So take your time with this. If you have any questions, let your teacher know. If you do solve these on a piece of paper, which there's some that you should, please make sure you bring that piece of paper back to your teacher the next time you are in class. All right, good luck and have fun finding your products for these multiplication facts.